I mean, the whole page is pretty much like you did yesterday, but, okay, they want you to find the slope and the y-intercept. What is the slope? 5/3. What is the y-intercept? 1. Okay, 3. What is the slope? -6. What is the y-intercept? 4. Okay, 5. What is the slope? 4. The y-intercept? 3. Okay, the next section says write the slope-intercept form. What is slope-intercept form? What's the formula? Yes, but what is the formula? Mx plus b. Okay, and so Jacayla, yes, you were right. Y equals -6/5x minus 5. Okay, number 9, what's it going to look like? Yeah, you can say -3. Or for those of you guys that are more comfortable with this, you can say y equals 0x minus 3. That also works. 0x is just nothing. Okay, it disappears anyway. So, but if it makes you feel better to use the formula, then do that. Okay. Okay, 11. What's it looking like? Good. Okay, the next section on here is graphing. Okay, they want you to graph in slope-intercept form. Okay, what part do you graph first?
The y.
The y. Okay, how do you know if it's ready to be graphed or not? Yeah, it says y equals. Okay, if it doesn't say y equals, you have to move stuff around. Okay, so it starts at what? -3. Is our slope positive or negative? Positive. Some of you guys still, I told you yesterday, and you still did them wrong on the sheets. Okay, draw the little line off to the side. We're going to go up 1 and over 2. Which way? To the right. Some of you guys are still, I don't know who it was, I'll pull the sheets, doing this. Why is that not allowed? It's a line segment, okay? You guys remember that sheet and we were finding the slope and you just had to count how many up, how many over? Okay? There was 22 problems on there, so how many did I do? 11. Some of you guys that are sitting in the groups you're in, you're not going to sit in the groups you're in by Monday. Some of you guys got an 11 on the sheet. How did you get an 11 when I did 11? So you either weren't paying attention or something, but I don't know how in the world. Okay, I know what your grade used to be, so that's not cool for me. Okay? So get it together. 15, where does this graph start? -4. Is our slope positive or negative? Is negative. Okay, so our line should be going like that. Okay, we rise 3. How much do we run? 1. Which way? To the left. Okay, 17. Where does that graph start? starts at 2. We're going to rise 4 and run 3. Which way? I need a negative slope. Which way am I going to go over 3? To the left. Can I scroll? 19. Where does this graph start? -1. Okay, and this is a positive graph. We're going to go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, over 3. Which way? To the right 3. Okay, 21. Where does this graph start? Starts at -1. My slope is negative. I'm going to go up 1 and over 4. Which way? To the left. Good. Dang, I missed my dot. Who is it? Mm-hmm. 23, cross out. Okay, 25. Does this say y equals? No, so you need to solve it. What is your first step always? Yeah, you guys subtract what? Help her out. What do we subtract first? The x's, okay? So we're going to say minus 5x. Okay, so I got negative 4y equals 0 minus 5x. Okay, and then what? Divide that both sides by 4. Negative 4. Do we always have to divide? No. Okay, if there's no number by the y, you don't have to divide. What is 0 divided by negative 4? 0. Okay, negative 5 over negative 4. What's a negative over a negative? Positive. And then 5 over 4, what is that? It stays the same. Why does it stay the same? Okay, it's our slope. We need that rise and that run. Okay, so we're going to leave that 5 over 4x. Where does this graph start? At what? At 0. Bless you. And then we're going to go up 5 and over 4. Which way? And over 4. Can I scroll? Okay, 27. Does that say y equals? No. Okay. What is our first step? Okay, we're going to subtract the x's. So I got 4y equals 16 minus 3x. Okay, and then what do we do? Divide both sides by 4. So you're going to get y equals, what is 16 divided by 4? 4. Negative 3 over 4. Stays the same. Okay, and we know that our slope is negative. Where does this graph start at? Starts at 4. Okay, go to the y line, find the 4. Okay, we need to rise 3. Right? We gotta go down 3. Why? You cannot go up 3. Okay, some of you guys are still doing like this. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's not, we're not doing that. If you have to do that, then it's not right. Okay, something's not right. You should not be extending or drawing that graph. That graph is specifically made for your problem to fit on it. Okay, if it doesn't, then ask me. Okay, I'll check it. Okay, so we're going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and over 4. Which way? You guys are telling me different things. I don't know what to do. It's the right?
Yeah.
It is definitely the right. What happens if you go to the left? Yeah, it would be a positive slope. Okay. Number 29, you guys are going to cross off. Look at the other side, actually. Yes. Can I scroll? You guys good? Okay, 31. Does that say y equals? No, so you cannot graph it. You gotta move stuff around. You got 5x minus 3y equals 3. Okay, what's gonna be our first step? Yep, we're gonna say minus 5x. So I got negative 3y equals 3 minus 5x. Then what? Divide both sides by negative 3. So I got y equals, what is 3 divided by negative 3? Negative 1. Negative 5 divided by negative 3. Positive. But yes, it does stay the same as far as the fraction goes. Okay, where does this graph start? At negative 1. Okay, my slope is positive. Okay, I'm going to rise 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And run 3 which way? To the right? Okay, you guys got 16 of them to do. Get them done and then put it in the box. Okay.